For today's routine, we're going to be using the wall, big step back, big step forward, focusing on the calf on both legs. You're going to press your chest towards the wall. You should feel this in the back of the hamstring on both legs, especially in the calf. Keep your legs as straight as you can and lean forward as best you can. We're going to focus on breathing, and we're going to hang out here for a little bit. Now again, you should feel this all the way from your hamstring to the calf. Have your toe pressed up against the wall and full extension on that back leg. Focusing on again, stretching that back calf as well. Very good. The goal is relaxation and breathing through it. The closer you can bring your head and chest to the wall, the better. Again, don't force the stretch. It should never be painful. I'm gonna hang out here for a little bit. Breathing in and breathing out. A few more seconds before we switch sides. Very good. Press up and release. Big step back, big step forward. The wider you can put your legs, the better. Again, you should feel this in both legs, predominantly in the front leg, but the back leg will also get a good calf stretch. And we're going to hang out here, and we're going to focus on breathing, leaning towards the wall. Very good. With each breath in and each breath out, bring your head and chest closer to the wall. No slouching, just going to lean forward. Bonus, if you get your hands up nice and high, you could also get an upper back stretch as well. But for today's purpose, we're focusing on calf and hamstrings. And we're going to hold for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go ahead and release off the wall. And we're going to push our hips back as far as we can, keeping your legs with a slight bend. Now you want to have pressure on the wall with your palms and go as low as you can, keeping your back parallel with the floor, and focuses on your hips pushing back. And once you're in this position, you're going to focus on straightening these a little bit and focus on the hamstrings opening up. We're going to breathe in for 4, exhale for 8, and we're hanging out here. At this point, you want to make sure weight is centered over your feet, because we are going to release one arm and then we're going to release the other, and place your elbows against your thighs. And we're going to continue breathing, and you're focusing on bringing your chest closer to your lap. And again, you want to feel this in the back of your hamstrings. We're going to hold on here and focus on pulling the chest closer to your lap. Very good. You should feel this in your lower back, as well as a little bit of hamstrings and calf. Continue breathing. Very good. Resting the palms on your thigh. Hanging out with your head as low as you can. Very good. Now the elbows are braced against the legs. If you're more flexible, you could focus on grabbing the back of your legs and pulling your head a little bit more down. But again, don't force anything. You want gravity to kind of take its place. Very good. If you get your palms to the floor, you can hang out there. Whatever you feel comfortable. But we're focused on those hamstrings opening up. Very good. Alright, we're going to get ready to slow roll back up. So you want your hands on your thighs. You're going to slowly unwind your back, pressing all the way up, head to the sky. We're going to put both hands against the wall. And from here, we're going to do a couple upper back stretches. We're going to push our chest forward and arch your hips back. We're doing this to kind of unwind the flexion of the spine, pressing the chest forward, hips are back, and let's get another repetition. Very good. Hold it, and we're going to release in 3, 2, 1, and done.